Zucchini. You really did hurt my feelings. No, you just want me to spend time with you.
I'm seriously. Good morning, Philippines.
Ay, nako. Tapos na si Roxy, parang hindi siya mapalagay, guys. Iwan ko. Then shower, hindi mapalagay. Kasi sabi ko, Dada's here. Mag-cut sana ako ng mga panggulay natin, pero mamaya na ay ginoo ko para tayong walang pahingang babae. Roxy, ha? Not in the couch. I said not in the couch. What is wrong? You tell me, what's wrong with the world? Just like, hindi ka mapalagay. Parang may something. Hi, Han. Tom is here, guys. So, what do you think of Roxy? Look at her.
She looks cute. She looks comfortable.
And Tommy have a long hair.
Not sweating and breathing crazy.
Happy dog.
I can use that dog trimmer on my head.
You want me to do it? It's really nice trimmer.
Yeah.
Huh?
Nope.
You want me to cut your hair? I'm good with that. What? This is why they love their dada.
See what your mama says? The only reason you love me is because I give you crap.
No, because you always give what you have. Mama always eat first,
share.
eat. And then if she's full, then we have something. If she's still starving, we don't get nothing. That's what it is.
Last.
Oh, she's big, honey.
Last.
Loto na ako, guys, ng isang paborito ni Mr. na. What is Tammy's favorite? Mungo beans. We're talking about the bread, guys, because I cannot resist. I need to take it. I said, Hubs has been looking for this. Hubs fault, honey.
Oh, it's your fault, Hobbs.
Hubs, it's
Mama
your...
wasn't gonna get it, but she figured it out.
I was thinking about you, little boy.
Yeah, okay, that's what it was, Hobbs.
I was thinking about you, like, oh, Hubs has been watching
Hubs, you
me
wanna buy a
every
bridge?
morning.
If you believe that, I got a bridge I can tell you.
Every morning, you know, Hubs always looking at me like, where is the bread?
Yeah, that's what your mom was worried about.
I really did think about him.
Bread. That's what she's concerned herself.
I was thinking of him, hon.
Hun?
Honest to goodness. I that's what I really been thinking. It's like every time I eat breakfast,
A minute ago you just told me you couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist, but also I always think of Hubs every morning. He looks at me like bread, and I always have like rice. Lately have the banana bread, and I promised Tommy, guys, to give more banana bread, but he just told me, oh, you eat all the banana bread. That's what he just said. Oh, the banana bread, you eat everything.
Banana bread all by yourself.
You did. You did. So guys, nilagay ko na dito yung anik. Look. Nilagay ko na. And then, tayo na naman yung ilagay na natin yung mga sangkap, yung mga bell pepper, ginger, onion. And then, pabukali natin siya. Lagyan natin ng asin. Okay? Lagyan natin ng asin. Bakit sobrang white? I don't like it too much white. It's not regularity. It's not the regular color. So, ito guys, yung maganda yung yung Thai na maganda siya kasi pure milk. Organic. Kasi makikita mo talagang. So, ngayon, next is, bell pepper, paminta. Lagyan natin siya ng paminta and then, pabukali natin. Wahan? And I'm going to add like the zucchini. Meron tayong zucchini, guys. So, boil lang natin yan. Uy, maganda pala ito. Kuha tayo ng lemongrass. Lemongrass is good with this. Okay, lemongrass. Kuha tayo ng lemongrass. Look, ang taas na ng lemongrass natin. I cleaned the microwave, honey, because it was really dirty. When I climbed the chair, I said, wow, I don't even realize how dirty it is. Guys, ilagay ko na itong string beans kasi matagal itong maluto. Zucchini will be later. Itong look, yung sa Chinese bok choy na yung puti niya. Kasi matagal itong maluto eh. Nakita niya guys na nilagyan ko ng sardines. So ngayon, sabi pa niya, tumingin siya. Anong nilalagay mo dyan? Kasi parang tinago ko kanina. Nakita niya. And then, what? And then, and then he said, and he really thought, I said like, I'm gonna poison him. And this is what I've been using for a long time. Every time I cook this, even before when Susie and Mom is still alive. And then, this is what I always do it. I told you na tinatago ko siya palagi kasi ayaw nila ng sardines. So, gustong... Seriously, honey. This is every time I make this, it's always a sardine in it. You cannot see the sardines because it's broken apart. And he thought, he think I'm going to poison him.
What?
Seriously. You cannot eat. It's okay. You've been eating this since you met me. Now, you don't have to eat it. Tinago ko kasi nakita niya ba? Kinuha ko dun and then ginanon ko. And then nagtataka siya. And then, punta siya sa office. Paglabas niya, tinitignan yun yung unang tinitignan niya agad kung anong ginawa ko. Nilagay ko dito. Ang una niya sinabi niya, "You're going to poison me, Han." Such a baby. Sardines. Freaking... You are so picky like it's crazy. Ilagay na natin itong zucchini. Ang zucchini nangambak. Han, I cannot believe. Is that really what you think? Now I cannot forget what you said. So you really think I'm gonna kill you? What the heck is that? Seriously. Don't be with me if you think that way. Now you hurt my feelings.
Gary.
You really did hurt my feelings.
Gary.
Sinaktan yan yung puso ko, guys. Kasi nasaktan talaga ako. Kasi he been eating this and now he think I'm going to poison him and he's still alive.
Gary.
You think I really gonna poison you?
You never love me. I never know it.
I miss you.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Guys, she missed me so much. As soon as I came in, she went right to her phone and decided I gotta play a game. First thing she did when I got here.
You really did.
First thing she did when I got here.
You really-
I'm gonna play a game now.
You really did pay attention. That hurts you. I love you.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
Love you too. You think I don't know this one?
Oh, you just want me to spend time with you. Oh, love. Oh, my baby.
I guess I gotta watch that freaking hummingbird feeder.
Don't move.
You gotta get it done.
Don't move. I love you so much, love. I'm not poisoning you, you know. I want you to live 200 years old. You're my forever, and I cannot live without you guys. I cannot live without him. You know why? I need him with a change oil. Oil change, car fix, house fix, cooling people. And I need somebody with me. I love you, love. The first thing I did when he get home, I said I will play. But guys, this is what he did. The first thing he does when he get home, boil the food for the hummingbird. So
You were already playing when I did that. What are you talking about?
No.
You were already playing
That's
when
why I
you
started
were sitting
to
over
play.
there playing, and I went out and had a cigarette. Then you came over here. Yes, son.
No, you started getting that thing.
You were already playing.
No, I didn't. We did it the same time, Tommy. It was like Christmas. Do you love me?
Yes, son.
I even ask you, what are you doing? And then I sit down, I play.
No, that is not the way it happens.
Wow, Tommy. You are wrong and you are wrong. No, that was, I went outside.
You were
Seriously?
Outside, you were outside when I started making it, and then I started giving the animal something. You were already back inside, and you say, "Whoa, what's that popping in the microwave?" Serious? Hi.
No, I know I didn't play game.
Yeah. No,
And remember,
I was sitting down to eat sandwich, and you ready to play game.
remember, Tommy?
I do
Remember that you are boiling the food for the hummingbird, and I came
didn't do
here.
that until after I ate. You
I
were already
came-
playing
no.
your game. Hon, seriously, you were already playing your freaking game.
Don't argue with me.
Hon, stop being wrong.
Hug
I gotta get the food out of the refrigerator.
hug me,
Yeah.
tell me.
And no paper towel.
My God, this is always a fight. This is not a fight, guys. This is a regular argument. ito yung gustong-gusto niya. Pero ayaw naman niya na palagi. Pero masarap talaga itong kainin. Ito yung seasoning na gustong-gusto din niya. Montreal grilled seasoning. Makapal kasi, so okay lang damihan. Oh, God. Ang bigat kasi makapal. Mix him happy. Diba? I think luto na yan. Look. I think luto na yan. Tulog si Mister. So, yan. Makapal siya, guys. Pero for sure, hindi yan luto. Yung gusto ni Tommy Rare. And ito pala, guys, is ano na siya. Initin lang natin. All that is for you, but I need to look
What are you trying to look like here?
no, I need to be the edge, a small edge, because I'm not gonna eat a lot of meat. Okay. I hope it's cooked there. Oh my God, guys, it's still not cooked, guys. Still not cooked. You know what? I'm gonna try. It's bloody. makes you happy that there is a little steak. Makes him happy. Especially this kind of cooking. Like not cook. If it's overcooked steak, guys, he'll eat it. He's not gonna bitch about it, but he's not happy. And you know what, Han? Actually, it's good, Han. It's tasty. It tastes like beef. It's really good, guys. Medium rare this is, right?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Look. Han. So pink. One thing I can tell you guys. If you cook steak like this, and then the outside part is seared, you know, searing, like burnt, and then the inside is not totally bloody, it's kind of pink. The outside is really makes it tasty.
That's what all seasoning is.
I mean, the seasoning is, but you know, you can see the burn, the burnt part. It tastes good. Okay guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Nag-enjoy naman daw si Tammy sa dinner. So, nag-enjoy naman daw siya sa pa-dinner natin, sa steak na ginawa natin. Nasayahan siya sa niluto natin. So, which is thumbs up. And, i-end ko na tong vlog, guys. I'm going to end the vlog. And, thank you guys so much for watching. Salamat sa panonood. And, kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na vlog, sa susunod na vlog, mga loves. Thank you, mga loves. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night. Tulog lang kami, guys.